Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Empress Effects Ecosystem delay pedal and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this pedal is not working or if it doesn't seem to be responding or listening to your presets and stuff like that, we can go ahead and do a hard reset that'll fix a lot of these issues. Now you will need to set everything up again because everything will be restored to its factory out of the box default settings. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling this or buying a used one, or just for whatever reason you want to get it back to the way it was with everything wiped off of it, the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. It's pretty simple. There's kind of three steps. We need to enter the configuration settings, then do the reset, and then exit the configuration setup. So to do that, we're going to enter it. We're going to press and hold down the tap and the bypass buttons. And while we do that, while we're holding those two down, then we're going to come in and we are going to hit the shift button. And then all the preset LEDs will blink yellow twice, indicating we're in that menu. So once we're in the menu, then we're just going to really simply go do this. We're going to go tap, bypass, tap, bypass. We're going to push and release in that order. Tap, then bypass, then tap, then bypass. When we do those four button pushes, then all the LEDs will make like kind of a little dancing light, indicating that it's been reset. The last thing you need to do is exit the configuration menu, which is to just press and hold the tap and bypass menu for a couple of seconds, at which point the entire pedal will reset and reboot into its factory default settings.